everyone! Welcome to the Start Strong with Seller 365 video series. We know that getting started with new tools can feel overwhelming, and you're not alone. That's why we created this series, to walk you through the most common challenges sellers face when first using Seller 365 and to help you overcome them with confidence. Today, let's talk about InventoryLab. As your Amazon business grows, you might start picking up inventory you're not quite ready to send in yet. Maybe you're still researching, waiting on more units, or not ready to list. That's when the unlisted feature is used. Unlisted inventory is a space where you can keep track of items before they go into a shipment. It's like a holding area for products that you own but haven't listed on Amazon yet. This way, nothing slips through the cracks, and you're not scrambling to remember where something is when you're ready to sell. To access it, go to Inventory, then Unlisted Inventory. Here, you'll see helpful details like the last update timestamp in your local time, plus key information like item, MSKU, average cost per unit, condition, and unlisted quantity. It's perfect for keeping everything accounted for, even before it's live on Amazon. Let's say you're sourcing more than usual or your workflow changes a bit. A spot where you can store purchase info, cost, and quantity is super helpful, especially if you're not ready to list them right away. You can tag items, filter them later, and keep everything organized until it's time to send them in. Give it a try next time you've got inventory waiting in the wings. It keeps your records clean, your workflow organized, and makes your listing process way smoother. That's it for today. See you in the next video.